How to fix the Capcut compressing issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are stuck at compressing or your compressing process is quite slow, here is how you need to fix it. First and foremost, check for your storage space. Capcut needs enough free storage to compress and save the video. So for this, you can free up at least 2 to 3 GB by deleting the unused files, applications or videos. Similarly, too many apps running in the background can slow down the compressing process. So for this, you can tap on this menu on the home page and force close or close all the other applications before exporting in Capcut. Another thing is you need to lower the export resolutions and FPS. For this, head over to the project or the file that you want to compress and export. Then after, on the left to the export button, you will see this button which is for the resolution rate. Tap on it and reduce the resolution from 4K to 1080p or 720p. Likewise, for the FPS, you can set it to 30 FPS instead of 60 FPS. This will reduce the file size and speed up the compression. However, if this does not work, you have to clear the Capcut cache. To do so, head over to your home page and then search for Capcut application. Long press it and go to App Info. Tap on the storage and cache and then clear the cache. Now that you do so, you can restart your device and export the video again. However, if your video is too long or full of heavy effects, in that case you might have to split the video into smaller clips. Compress each of the file and the clips separately and then merge it at the end. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.